spotted an ENP file in your EndNote folder and wondering if it's safe to keep or move? This settings file controls how your reference manager behaves. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these EndNote preference files do. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange ENP formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. An ENP file is the main project file for Clarivate's EndNote, a widely used reference management software. This file itself does not contain the library data. Instead, it acts as a pointer, linking to an associated .enl library file and a .data folder containing attachments and metadata. The ENP is a small pointer file, likely containing simple text or XML-based references to the core library components. This modular design separates the project's entry point from the potentially large database, .enl, and attachments folder, improving organizational clarity and preventing accidental data corruption. We suggest testing the ENP file first with the utility EndNote from Clarivate. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows displays only general characteristics, while True Access requires specialized programs. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your ENP file and choose Open With. Test EndNote first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your ENP file will not open, do not worry. The highly specific nature of the ENP file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, letting EndNote manage. EndNote automatically reads and writes ENP files when launched and closed. Storing preference changes from Edit then Preferences. No manual intervention is needed for normal operation. The application recreates default ENP files if missing on next startup with standard settings. Next, backing up preferences. Copy ENP files from the EndNote application data folder to back up your customized preferences. On Windows, locate them in App Data, while macOS stores them in Library Application Support. Restore by replacing the file when migrating EndNote to a new computer. Finally, resetting to defaults. Delete or rename the ENP file while EndNote is closed to reset all preferences to factory defaults. This troubleshooting step resolves issues caused by corrupted preferences. EndNote regenerates fresh ENP files on next launch with all settings returned to original values. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.